In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up voice AI for Google Meet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to join a meeting from your calendar and turn on your voice changer so it works smoothly without disrupting your call. To start, open Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that your time zone is accurate so the meeting times line up. Find the event you've scheduled that includes a Google Meet link. If you don't see a Meet link, double-check the event details or add one before moving on. Open the event and select the scheduled meeting. This will reveal the meeting information panel. Take a quick moment to confirm the date and time, the attendees, and that you have everything you need for the call. Keeping this organized helps avoid last-minute surprises. Click the Join with Google Meet button. You'll land on the pre-join screen where you can preview your camera and microphone. If your browser asks for permission to use your camera or mic, allow it here. Before joining, click the small settings gear in Google Meet and verify your audio input. Some voice AI tools create a virtual microphone. If yours does, select that from the microphone list. If your extension processes audio without a virtual device, stick with your usual microphone. Speak a few words and watch the level meter to ensure your voice is being detected clearly. When you're ready, click Join Now. It's a good idea to keep yourself muted for a moment while you finalize your voice settings, especially if others are already in the room. This prevents any unexpected sounds while you configure the extension. Now click your voice changer extension in the browser toolbar. If you don't see it, make sure it's installed and pinned so it's easy to access during calls. Choose the voice profile you want to use and adjust any available settings such as intensity, clarity, or background noise reduction. Many tools offer a quick test or monitor. If yours does, say a short sentence and listen back to confirm the effect sounds natural and not too strong. If your voice seems distorted or too loud, lower the effect strength or reduce your input gain until it's comfortable and intelligible. From here, unmute and speak normally. You can toggle the effect on or off from the extension at any time. If something doesn't sound right, revisit the Google Meet audio settings and confirm the correct microphone source is selected. That's it. Your voice AI is now set up and ready for your Google Meet.